Okay, class, so today we're looking at weight conversions between the measuring systems. Okay, so we're going from one system to the other system. So the important part, this one you're going to use a lot, this conversion factor of 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. You use that all the time, especially with meats and buying fruits and veggies. Okay, so often in the newspaper you'll see the price per pound. So you're going to see dollars per pound cereal, dollars per LB, but then when you go into the store, it's going to be dollars per kg. So when you go to compare them, you can't. Okay, when you want to see if the price is correct, you can't. If you go into the store, you can't compare. So you must compare the same units. And for the most part, it's easy to transition from pounds to kilograms, but now what you have to be careful of, remember, it's pounds, so it's dollar signs over top of pounds, dollar signs over top of kilograms, so it's a little bit more tricky because it's in the denominator of the fraction or the ratio. Okay, so if you have simply 6 pounds of apples, okay, and you want to know the weight in kilograms, well, that's easy. You will just use Google to do your conversion. So you'll type into Google, convert 6 pounds LB to kilograms kg, and then you press equals. And that's going to work for Google easily, no problem. If you're doing the conversion factor, okay, 1 pound, 1 kg is 2.2 pounds, and so you'd have 6 pounds on the top and X number of kgs on the bottom. Cross multiply and divide. Okay, good. And then I got this backwards, rather. This would be 6 pounds LB and X kg on the bottom. And then you cross multiply, divide, and you would get 2.7. If you're doing this on Mr. Google, you would simply type in, like I did, but you can't see it. Let me type it in. Oh, I can move my screen up. I don't know if I can. No, I can't. So you just type it in as you see it into your search engine bar, and away it will go. Okay, so again, here we have grams of sugar. So to convert that into ounces of sugar, a couple different ways you can do it. You convert the grams to kilograms, then kilograms to pounds, and then of course pounds to ounces. That way it works. Or you can type into Google, convert 150 G's, so 150 grams, to ounces. But what you got to know is that ounces is OZ. So you type that into Google and you will get 5.28 ounces, which you'd probably round to 5.3. All right. Here, one more example. Now this is the weird one here, is the cost per pound. So if the cost per pound of one and cost per pound to the other, they're in different units. Which is the better buy? You don't know until you figure out the same units. So we can figure that out easily by converting the 49 cents per pound into 49 cents per kg. So you would type in convert, and you got to have your units, dollar sign 0.49 backslash LB to dollar sign backslash kg. And if you press that, then it'll convert and you'll get to round to $1.08. And now that is per kg. So you can see it is a little bit more expensive because we're comparing $1.05 to $1.08. And $1.08 is more. Okay, so then you can compare which one's the better deal. And if you're doing that every day, you can save a lot of money because you're always saving cents. And cents adds up to dollars, dollars up to hundreds of dollars adds up to thousands of dollars. It makes a big difference. So here you're converting simply kg to pounds, no problem. Then you're going to convert here pounds and ounces into grams. So for this one, what you'd want to do is you convert 7 pounds into grams, then convert 12 ounces into grams, and then add it all up for a total. Okay? And do those calculations separate, then add. Next one here, 600 grams, convert that to ounces. Now you have a pound of hamburger per kg, and you have to convert it over. Be careful with that one, okay? I mean, essentially, you're either going to divide or multiply by 2.2, so you have to figure out which one it is. And you can also use Google, so you can type in convert to cost per pound. Same thing here, make sure your units are the same. All right, good. Enjoy, have fun.